What's the meaning of blanquette? Blanquette. Blanquette.
Blanquette. Blanquette. Blanquette is a French dish that consists of tender pieces of meat, typically veal or chicken, cooked in a creamy sauce made with butter, flour, and cream. The dish is traditionally flavored with onions, mushrooms, and herbs like thyme and bay leaves. The name blanquette comes from the white color of the sauce that is used to cook the meat. The dish is typically served with rice, noodles, or potatoes, and is a popular comfort food in France. Blanquette can also refer to a type of white wine made from the Mauzac grape in the south of France.